Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: Marzano's new taxonomy. Marzano's new taxonomy, developed by educational expert Robert J. Marzano, is a refined version of the original Bloom's taxonomy. It aims to improve instructional practices and enhance student learning outcomes. Unlike Bloom's taxonomy, Marzano's model focuses on both cognitive processes and knowledge dimensions, making it a more comprehensive framework. To implement Marzano's new taxonomy effectively, educators should first understand its structure. The taxonomy consists of 4 domains: a knowledge domain, self-system domain, metacognitive domain, and cognitive processes domain. Each domain plays a crucial role in engaging students' minds, promoting critical thinking, and developing key academic skills. In the knowledge domain, teachers should ensure that students acquire and comprehend vital information within the subject area. This involves using various instructional strategies such as reading assignments, discussions, and multimedia resources to foster deep understanding. Moving to the self-system domain, educators assist students in developing personal strategies for goal setting, monitoring their progress, and reflecting on their learning. This not only helps build their metacognition but also cultivates a sense of ownership over their education. In the metacognitive domain, teachers encourage students to think about their thinking. They guide them in understanding their cognitive processes, boosting their problem-solving abilities, and developing effective learning strategies. Lastly, the cognitive process domain focuses on the specific thinking skills students need to master. This includes analyzing, evaluating, applying, comprehending, and synthesizing new information. Different instructional methods like project-based learning and problem-solving activities can be employed to facilitate this domain effectively. To better illustrate the implementation of Marzano's new taxonomy, let's consider a science lesson. A teacher could introduce the concept of the water cycle, which is the part of a knowledge domain, using visual aids and real-world examples. They would then guide students in setting goals for understanding the water cycle. It will come inside the self-system domain and teach strategies to monitor their progress and revise their understandings, which will come in the metacognitive domain. Finally, the teacher would assign a project requiring students to analyze the impact of human activity on the water cycle, which will cover cognitive process domain. Now let's explore the key difference between Marzano's new taxonomy and Bloom's taxonomy. While the original, means Bloom's taxonomy, focused primarily on cognitive processes, Marzano's version incorporates vital domains related to thinking skills and metacognition. By including these additional dimensions, Marzano's taxonomy allows for a more integrated and holistic approach to students' learning. In conclusion, Marzano's new taxonomy offers educators a comprehensive framework to enhance instructional practices effectively. By engaging students in various domains, teachers can promote deeper understanding, develop critical thinking, and foster metacognitive skills. It is an invaluable tool for educators aiming to create a dynamic and engaging learning environment. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.